Now, after the preliminary test, we will see the how to detect the extra elements. You know extra element very well. Previously we have seen that what is extra element. Sodium, nitrogen, then sulfur, then halogen. These are the extra elements. To detect the extra element, what we have to do? We have to prepare the sodium fusion extract, or we can call it as soda extract. For that, what we have to do? We have to take first ignition tube or the fusion tube. This is the ignition tube, or it is also called as fusion tube. In that fusion tube, what we have to do? We have to take some pieces of sodium metal. सोडियम मेटल ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे डाला हुआ है, सोडियम मेटल इन दिस फ्यूजन ट्यूब. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू फ्यूज दिस सोडियम मेटल फर्स्ट. फॉर दैट, टू होल्ड दिस फ्यूजन ट्यूब we have to take the help of this pair of tongue, and like this we have to heat it till it fuse. Once it is fused, what we have to do? After fusion, we have to take a given organic compound in this fusion tube. We have to take this given organic compound and again we have to heat this tube until it become red hot. Like this it become red hot. Up to that we have to heat. ये हमेशा आपको सामने रखना पड़ेगा दूसरा एक वायर गॉज, ताकि ये सोडियम मेटल बाहर जम करके बाहर आ नहीं सके. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू क्रश दिस फ्यूजन ट्यूब in a China dish already filled with 5 ml or 10 ml of distilled water. यहाँ पे डाला हुआ है ऑलरेडी डिस्टिल वाटर, और यहाँ पे मैं फ्यूजन ट्यूब को ब्रेक करता हूँ. देन आई हैव टू बॉईल दिस फॉर 5 minutes. Solution is ready, it is sufficiently boiled. After that we have to remove burner and allow to cool for some time this solution. After that we have to filter this in a boiling test tube. And now this filtrate we are getting, that is nothing but sodium fusion extract, or the also called as soda extract. This soda extract or the sodium fusion extract, now it is used to detect the extra elements. First we will try to detect important extra element called as sodium. nitrogen. For that, what we will do, we have, this is called as stock solution, and from this stock solution of soda extract we have to take 2 ml or 1 ml of soda extract, and to this soda extract we have to add freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. This is soda extract which we have prepared just now. To that, this is a freshly prepared ferrous sulfate FeSO4 solution prepared in water. We have to add this. This PPT is obtained. We have to dissolve this PPT. For that, we have to add, we are observing the green PPT. For that, we have to add NaOH solution, and after this adding NaOH solution, we have to add dilute H2SO4 also. This is dilute H2SO4. What is our observation? Our observation is now the solution become completely colorless. If nitrogen is present as an extra element, then the color become the Prussian blue. But here you will find, when I take a soda extract, to that when I add the freshly prepared ferrous sulfate, then again I add the sodium hydroxide, then again I add the dilute H2SO4, complete removal of the green color. Whatever the PPT we have obtained previously, that PPT completely removed, completely discharged, completely dissolved. This shows that nitrogen is absent in this given organic compound. If it was there, then the color will be the Prussian blue, but it was not happened. This shows nitrogen is completely absent. Now we will move for the next extra element, that is called as sulfur. For that, from stock solution of sodium extract, we are taking some quantity of the sodium extract. To that, I am adding a sodium nitroprusside solution. If the color becomes violet, then I can say the sulfur is present as an extra element. We will find here there is no violet coloration is observed. Hence, I can say sulfur is also absent in this organic compound. Now we will move for the last compound, last halogen, last extra element, that is halogen. Now we will move toward the last extra element, that is halogen. For that, again 5 ml of this soda extract. To that, I am adding the nitric acid. Yes, it is nitric acid. Then I am boiling this solution, or just heating this solution. After the heating, what I am doing, I am adding a silver nitrate. We find that here there is no white PPT is observed. Hence, we can say no any PPT is observed. Hence, we can say the halogen as an extra element also absent in this organic compound. So, when we have performed the detection of extra element by preparing the sodium extract, what is our observation? Our observation is all the three extra elements, that is nitrogen, sulfur and the halogen, are absent in this organic compound.